Microsoft chases Google with ChatGPT-powered Bing. OpenAI could use the artificial intelligence capabilities in ChatGPT to enable Bing to not only return a list of search results but also to answer user search questions in a human-like fashion. The technology is the latest component of OpenAI's larger GPT efforts to make AI more human. OpenAI, founded by Elon Musk and other investors in 2015, unveiled ChatGPT last November, which interacts in a conversational way and generated a lot of buzz when the company opened it up for the public to try out for free. Users can type a question and get a response in a dialogue format. OpenAI also notes that the technology can answer follow-up questions, challenge incorrect premises, and turn down inappropriate requests. When Microsoft's investment in OpenAI was first announced, the plan was to create a hardware and software platform within Azure to drive what the smaller company called Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. According to the information, part of that investment also included the ability for Microsoft to use some of OpenAI's technology for Bing. Microsoft is hoping that the introduction of ChatGPT will enable it to chip away at Google's overwhelming lead in search, with the chocolate factory owning more than 90% of the market, compared with Bing's paltry 3%. Microsoft reportedly also is negotiating with OpenAI to invest even more in the startup, which was founded in 2015. Microsoft declined to comment on the Bing report when reached by the Register. OpenAI has also yet to respond to a request for comment. We'll update the story. University students recruit AI to write essays for them. Google's got something to worry about, it seems. Last year Microsoft made OpenAI's DALL-E 2, which can use strings of text or images to create custom images, available in Azure. Thanks for watching.